tes muscles pectoraux. Dans une lune électorale, leader, c'est terrible. Quand les gens comprennent mes rimes, il n'y a pas de légende que des gens pensent qu'ils nous servent de compresse terrible. Sunshine et métaphore. Du bisou méga sort, je crois qu'on est tous d'accord. Si. Alors quand elle entre, il pète la forme. Ouais. La révolte de la banlieue, tu l'encaisses ou tu meurs. Dis-moi ce que tu sais, je te dirai ce que tu ignores. Mais personne les visite. Je suis une touche noire sur un piano, une minorité visible. Oh. Ah, comme un gardien de but parano, je me sens toujours visé. Mes punchlines me délivrent. Mais personne brade pour acheter des livres. Syndrome de Rosa Parks, je veux pas m'asseoir au fond. Un peu comme Malcolm X, je risque de partir en sang. Je suis le fils d'une mère illettrée. Bon, ma mère n'est pas illettrée. Ah, ma mère est infirmière mais fière. Enfin, plutôt infirmière et fière, pardon. Okay, hello, my peeps. It's gonna be 8 a.m. soon, and we're back for the It's 8 a.m. challenge. For those who don't know what is the what? I can't speak anymore. That was too much rap. Now it's hard for me to speak, and it was French rap. Now I'm speaking English, now I'm hot. Life is really hard. It's hard. Anyway, for those who don't know me, I'm Adriana Bito. I'm the founder of Honesty Musango, a social business for peace. And even if I look like a crazy person, I am an engineer. Look, I went to university. I studied at Boaziji. Anyway, I studied. So I'm Adriana. I'm a serious person and I can help a lot of people to change their life, even if I look like a crazy person. We're here for the It's 8 a.m. challenge. 1 week to do it. I don't remember the name of my own hashtag. So it's all right because with social media, everything is written. Oh, I didn't put the hashtag. Oh, yes, 1 week to do this. We can do this. 1 week to do this. That's the hashtag for this week. And this week, it's going to be free strategy sessions with me. It's free, but it's not going to be free forever. It's only for this 1 week, 5 days only. So today, which is Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then what is after Thursday? I think it's Friday. And then I work on Saturday. Yeah, because I know you're working during the week. So on Saturday, I'm going to be waking up early to have strategy sessions with you guys. Yeah. Okay. So that's the intro. I need to be careful because for those of you who know the It's 8 a.m. challenge, at 8 a.m. I'm supposed to shout, it's 8 a.m. Okay, so this challenge is to show that I can wake up in the morning now. Yeah. Because for those who don't know, I wrote a book. I wrote a book. Yes. Look, this is me on the picture. I'm not lying. I'm the one who wrote this crazy shit. And in this crazy shit, as you can see, it's great. I was sad. Life was hard. That was very hard, to be honest. I'm serious. Seriously, my life is hard. I'm not here to complain, but seriously, I've been through shit. Anyway, so it was very hard at the time. And I have time, and I still have those where I can't even wake up. I can't even leave my bed anymore. So I created the It's 8 a.m. challenge. Actually, we created with Yasmin. So shout out to Yasmin. We created the It's 8 a.m. challenge with Yasmin last September. So that was 2017. In order to show that it's not that I don't want to wake up and I don't want to go to work. It's just that I want to wake up for something that matters. Excuse me. Anyway, sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry. But yeah, that's another topic. So basically, because of this challenge, so sometimes just like this, I just make this, and at 8 a.m. I'm just like, it's 8 a.m. and we're awake and we're gonna do something meaningful. Okay, so just so as you know what's going on in here, first of all, I took notes because as you can see, I'm very passionate, and then I speak all over the place, and then we forget. What was the message? What was the message? The message is book a free strategy session with me because there is only 5 days. 5 days. 5 days. Okay. That's enough brainwashing about the fact that there is only 5 days. Bonjour Bernard. Ah, mais c'est trop bien. Yeah, sometimes I start speaking French like this because For those of you who don't know Facebook very well, people are commenting, then you see their names, and then you get happy because you're like, wow, I haven't talked to this person in such a long time. And for those who've been following me for a while, nobody ever comment my post. So obviously when I see a comment, I'm quite happy. I'm like, yeah, there is someone who hears my honesty. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not going to be like this every morning, and that's what's going to be very interesting. Okay, for those little video, because it's not 8 yet, I can tell you about the importance of the how are you question. That's such an important question for honesty. I think I wrote it in big in the book. Did I do that? I'm not sure. Adriana from the past was a bit weird. I'm talking about myself, obviously. Did I put the how are you question? Oh no, I said, what do you honestly want for yourself? Yeah, I didn't put the how are you question in big, but the how are you question is very, very important in every languages, and I've been traveling a bit. All languages start the same. Good morning, how are you? So greetings and giving a good intention to people, and then ask how they feel, because knowing how a person is means what is the language you're going to speak today. Okay, today I'm in a very good mood. You can throw it at me. I don't even care because I'm having a blast. But tomorrow, I'm going to be tired because nobody booked a strategy session with me today, and I will feel like a failure. Obviously, if you say the same thing as today, I'll be like, no, I don't want to hear it because nobody booked a strategy session with me. Does that make any sense to you? Okay, don't let me forget that I need to be focused on the fact that it's going to be 8 a.m. and I need to shout, it's 8 a.m. You can shout with me at 8 if you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Yeah, I'm going to drink my tea. So basically, I'm Adriana, founder of Honesty, a social business for peace. I'm serious about this shit. You can discover more on my website, honestteam.com. And this week only, I don't know who's this guy, but this week only, but I think it's a very nice person. Anyway, yeah, this week only, a free strategy session with me. Don't worry, the strategy session I prepared, so I'm focused on listening to you. I have a process. Actually, I help you make process so as you can put all your energy in the right direction. In French, we say canaliser. I guess in English, it's channel your energy. So as you can channel it toward your own definition of peace. That's what we are called honesty. Honesty. Musango, from honesty to peace, journey from honesty to peace. I'm going to read my notes because it's going to be a disaster, but it's 7:59 right now, so it's going to be 8 a.m. soon. Be ready to shout with me that it's 8 a.m. and we're going to do something meaningful. Honestly meaningful. Honestly meaningful. Oh my God, I'm in such a good mood today. That's ridiculous. Honestly meaningful. It's 8 a.m. It's 8 a.m. and my phone is so bad. I have a very, okay, can you see that it's 8 a.m. It's 8 a.m. It's 8 a.m. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us 8 a.m. Thank you, Mahomet, for giving us 8 a.m. Thank you, Buddha, for giving us 8 a.m. Thank you, Adriana, and women also. Thank you. Krishna, is Krishna a woman? I don't know. I think we're not supposed to give them gender. Anyway, it's 8 a.m. It's time to do something honestly meaningful. Hashtag know what you want. Hashtag know what you want. Okay, the last hashtag was dream big, and I met a lot of dreamers. Now it's time to be into action. So hashtag know what you want. It's 8 a.m. I'm Adriana Sophie Bito Bekwadi, founder of Honesty Musango, a social business for peace. I myself am an engineer, quality engineer, that I turned into peace engineering. Oh my God, woo, that's too much emotion, wow. Okay, and Honesty Musango is a social business for peace that offers you coaching programs so as you can actually make your own journey from who you are today and what you honestly want and feel today toward getting it in a sustainable way so as even your kids can actually benefit from the same freedom to become themselves. I hope it makes sense. So important words here. 1, 3 strategy sessions this week. So free means free. to click 2-3 buttons, give me your details, and I call you back. That's free. And if you don't show up, you don't show up. If you show up, good for you. And that's what we call freedom. Okay, so that's the first information. Second information, Honesty with Social Business for Peace journey from honesty to peace. Programs, coaching programs, programs with tools, with me coaching you in a more organized way than this. Sorry, yes. Okay, coaching programs. So it starts at honesty, hearing back your own voice. So that's what the strategy session is about. The strategy session is about hearing your voice and also working with you so as you learn how to make an honest decision, a decision like a honest leader. So that's the first step of our journey together. That's basically as if you were going to the H port and saying, hey, I'm coming from this origin and I want to go to this destination. Oh my God. So that's the idea behind the journey from honesty to peace. You can discover the rest of the journey on my social media if you want. Third idea, honest leader. Who are the people who can really benefit from honesty? I personally believe that the entire world can benefit from honesty. But you know what? When you want to do something for real, you need to start with one person, two people, three. You need to have an order, So first, I started with this crazy chick, Adriana Sophie Bito. And I am atypical, I am ambitious, and I am a crazy human being. So that's why honesty speaks to atypical, ambitious people. What do I mean? Atypical is definitely about intersectionality, baby. You go and check that word. Or hypersensitive for the other part. Ambitious means we're not going to just complain forever. At some point, we're going to do something. At some point, we're going to create our own shit. At some point, we're going to say bye, Felicious, to the people who are annoying and oppressing us. Bye, Felicious. Keep your oppression for yourself. I'm going to make my dream come true. Okay, that's what ambitious is about. At honesty, and then people, we're human. At least I think. Sometimes I question if I really am human, to be honest, because I'm like, why am I not like the rest of us? But anyway, let's assume that we're human, which means we're multiple, which means we are people. Yes, we are people, then we become professional, then we become citizens. That's our human journey through our life. So this is who honesty is targeting at. And last thing, is there another thing? No, book a free strategy session. That's it. If you don't want it for you, think about this friend who's been complaining about lack of honesty at work, who's been complaining about being mad or whatever. Think about your militant social worker, social justice friend who's been stuck in the same situation for ages and want to step forward. Think about this friend who's trying to build their social business, trying to help out their country, trying to help out their religion, whatever it is. Think about anyone around you who want to make a big change in their own world. So that's it for me, Adriana Bito, Peace Engineer, honestteam.com. You can have more information. You can find the link to book the strategy session on it, honestteam.com. It's 8 a.m., so I'm going to be up the next 5 days to tell you that it's 8 a.m. time to make that change. Hashtag know what you want. Thank you very much for watching, listening, and laughing, I hope, at least, even if you didn't love or press. Also in the description, I make a shout out to all the amazing coaches that I had since I decided to make that change for real, which was 3-4 months ago. I mean, I've been working on honesty and writing this book. Oh, also you can get my book. Hey, I didn't think of it. Hey, you can get that book, eh? That book is online, and that book is really good, eh? Okay, you can get that book. That's me. I wrote it. Anyway, we wrote it because people helped me out. Yeah, that's what happened when you're honest. Anyway, what was I saying? I was saying that I don't remember what I was saying, but shout out to all the people who really, really supported me in making that big change for myself. Because if you see my video from last year, I had good days, but still last year was really hard. And big shout out to my sport and spirituality coach, to my anxiety, pain, and free heart talk coach, Big shout out to my Action Now coach that I called this morning, who she definitely helped me wake up this morning and go and make that run. Shout out to my Instagram coach. He's so nice. He's the youngest. I love him. And definitely big shout out to my family support coach, which is my sister. And I love her, and she's the best mom ever. And she gave us a little niece who's so cute, and she's teaching us so many things. Kids are really intelligent. I think kids are examples. I think kids are actually the best example we can have for humanity. Anyway, how to turn your dream into sustainable money. Shout out to, should I say name? Sam Ovens. I do this. Yeah, shout out to this white rich boy who helped me do it. And shout out to all of you out there who just want to live in an honest but peaceful world. I love you all, even if I don't know you, because if you're watching this, it means that you're amazing because you've been attracted. I mean, you know, law of attraction. Anyway, so it's 8 a.m. Have a good day. Hashtag know what you want. Free strategy sessions book, because it's only 5 days left and it's not going to come back before another month. And it depends on my mood, obviously, because you will say that I'm moody. Take care, all of you. Hello, Nathan. That's so good to have you here. I'm finishing, but you can go back to the beginning of the video, I guess. Free strategy sessions this week. You know what I mean. I think you actually booked one in the past. And see you tomorrow morning for it's 8 a.m. And take care of yourself. And don't forget, a dream is never too big or too crazy to be achieved. You need a method and you need the right surrounding, and we can help you find this. Take care and bye-bye.